So this is kind of a continuation from the previous video's question about how can one differentiate between their higher self and spirit guides, for example, or we could include any soul for that matter. The thing that would be required for learning to differentiate is practicing a lot of channeling and showing up to your channeling practice consistently. Because the more experience you have receiving transmissions from your higher self, from your spirit guides, from your great Aunt Susie, the more you will be able to feel that particular resonance or frequency in your body, in your field, and identify it. The other thing is that keep in mind that when you channel, you do not have to channel from the place of like, I'm just open to whatever's coming through. In fact, the way that I channel and the way that I teach channeling is on request. So if a client wants to have some advice from their higher self, I ask to hear specifically from their higher self. If they have a question about their career, for example, sometimes I am guided to, I feel the presence of their career guides or their, guides of their professional pursuits. And then I'll nudge us in that direction. Well, let's tune into your career guides for that. So remember that when you are learning the channel and practicing, you can, and I encourage you to, specify the source of where you want your information coming from. I would like to tune into my higher self to understand what would be in the highest service of my soul's journey and growth within the context of this relationship. Or I would like to channel and receive communication from the higher self of my partner regarding this particular question. So if you get specific and make your requests, that will be another opportunity for you to feel into the difference in frequency of different souls, different energies, etc. And with practice, you will build confidence in identifying which is which. I hope that's helpful.